People oftentimes have a false impression that if you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, that you're going to lose all of your assets, and that simply is not true. In New York State, we have two sets of rules that we can go by in order to protect your assets. We have the federal court exemptions, and we have the state exemptions, and they vary. In New York State, for instance, I'm able to protect $75,000 for an individual, a couple, $150,000 worth of equity that they may have in their homestead, in their own personal residence. Under the federal code, I can protect $20,200, a little over $40,000 for a couple to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and protect their homestead. Now you might ask, why would I ever choose to file under the federal code as opposed to the state code? And there are some real important reasons why we look at your assets and try to fit you under the best code so that we can protect the most of your assets as possible. If you have a bank account of $10,000 sitting in it and you want to protect it under the state, and you had a house and I've used your homestead exemption, I don't get any cash exemption, which means all the money that's in your bank account is going to be turned over to the bankruptcy court to the benefit of your creditors. Or, for that matter, if you're going to receive a refund with regard to your income taxes, that refund could be confiscated on a prorated basis to pay your creditors. Under the federal code, if I don't have to use your full homestead exemption, I'm able to take the difference and use that toward taking care of those type of assets, and at the same time protect your house, protect the money that's in the bank, and your tax refund if necessary.